Christmas tide on high. Keep the falling down, magic light. Christmas tide on high.
Alright y'all, so welcome to Vlogmas day 4. Don't mind the fact that I look hella oily. So welcome to Vlogmas day 4. I've been at work pretty much all day. I didn't really have a chance to check in with you guys. Look at the shine. Look at this. I had this makeup on since like 1 o'clock. So anyway, I've been at work all day. And I came home probably like 25-30 minutes ago, so this vlog is gonna go up basically late, but I wanted to show you guys what I got from Zara. My Zara package did come in today, as well as the other half of my Target package. If y'all wondering like what I'm looking for, I'm trying to find my tripod so I can put the freaking camera down and so I have to hold it. I have like 3 tripods. 2 are the same, and then I have like my one that's like more for just for vlogging, but I cannot find where the hell the damn tripod is at, so I'm probably gonna have to put up the other one. But I want to show y'all guys the stuff that I basically got. But okay, hold on, let me try to find this tripod so I can show you guys what I got. Alright, boom, here we go. I found my tripod. It should definitely be a whole lot more smooth and like not shaking all over the place, so I found that. So pretty much I just came in the house not too long ago, like I just told y'all. I'm about to take off these lashes. These are like my favorite lashes, y'all. Lily lashes and a style Ibiza. Oh my god, they are such a dream. You guys need to get them. So what we're gonna do right now, hold on, let me just get the camera functioning. What we are going to do right now, guys, is I'm just gonna pretty much show you guys what I do when I come home from work, like what I'm gonna take off my makeup with. I'm gonna show you guys my the stuff I got from Zara, like I just said, and we're gonna do that. Also, I made sure y'all, I just need to fix my wig. Look at my wig. What the fuck happened? I was in such a rush to get to work today, so I put on my wig hella stupid. Like this part is all on, but then like this side, I don't know what I did. Like I was just running behind trying to rush, but I did switch out my wig to my curly wig, because my other wig I had on, I want to re-bleach the knots and I want to just pluck some more hair, and I also want to add a bundle to the wig to make it a whole lot fuller. So that's that. I put this wave dry foam mousse in it, and I like the texture, like the waves that it did do to my hair, but I feel like it kind of made my hair in a sense crunchy, and I don't like that. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna use that again, but yeah. So I'm gonna show y'all just how I take my makeup off. I do use the Patrick Star one size. I use like the spray and I use the wipes, so I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. So at first when I bought it, honestly I didn't like it, and then I ran out of it and I'm like, oh my god, it's actually so good. So this is a spray. I have the travel size. This is like my second one. I bought one and then my job gave me one, so this is my second one. And basically you spray it on your face. And it's basically, this is a makeup dissolving mist, so it's gonna look just like greasy, but the thing is it doesn't drip off your face, which I love. I love that concept behind it. These are the wipes. I also think I got like travel size, so I'm gonna buy them again, but I'm gonna get full size because I do actually like this product, and I have like one wipe left, so I need to buy some wipes. And look how big these are. Like this wipe is humongous, like the whole size of my head. And I will literally just wipe it all off like so. So I use a wipe to get coming off. I have like a pimple and it's that time of the month, so I hate it. I'm gonna have hormonal acne, and I also feel like I have a pimple like right here underneath my lace, which is like really weird, but yeah. So I have that, and I'm just gonna wipe it off like so. I want to add some baby hairs to my wig. Well, this wig has baby hairs, I just need to pull them out. I just like feel like honestly I don't have enough time in a day. Like I will try to do it all and it's just never enough freaking time in the day. It's so annoying. So yeah, I'm just gonna wipe everything off of my face, and then after I do this I'll go in the shower and I do like a double cleanse. But before I do that, I'm gonna show y'all the Zara stuff, and then I'm gonna show y'all like my skincare that I'll use for the night. And I'm gonna take a shower and put on my pajamas and just get comfortable and chill out. Sorry I'm saying and a lot and like, I know it's annoying, sorry. So yeah, I'm gonna go up in here and just get the makeup off. Sometimes I like to be a little careful because this is like in my eye, so you have to be careful, guys. If you have sensitive eyes, I probably would not recommend you do this. And this damn Makeup by Mario liner is like on here, but it doesn't burn, which is good. I also had a glass of wine too. Maybe I'll show y'all the wine. I need to go back upstairs so and show you guys the wine. So the boys are not here, if you guys are wondering. It's the weekends, and on weekends they go with their dad, so I don't have them. So yes, it's looking like a pretty chill night. Like it's gonna be super chill tonight, nothing crazy. So I took this off. I'm gonna just show you guys the stuff from Target. Well, it's like one thing from Target that came out of my order, my online order. The only thing I got from Target is my socks, which I love. These are some crew neck waffle style, like the waffle style print socks. They look like this, and these are high socks because honestly I don't have a lot of high socks, so I did go and get these, and it's 82% cotton, so that's pretty nice. So I got these socks from Target. I got it from when Target was having a, I want to say their Cyber Monday type of sale, so it was super cheap. They were like $4.99. I think originally they're like $8 or $10, so I got that. Let's get into the Zara stuff. So the first thing I got from Zara is this hoodie that is, it says $39.90, but I think it was on sale. I don't remember, but it looks like this, and I got the size medium. So this is a hoodie. This is super cute. And then I got the pants that go with the hoodie, which I also thought was really cute. I got the pants in a size, was it a large? I got them in a large, but I feel like I could have got them in a medium. But I got them in a large. And then I got myself 2 pairs of jeans because I really don't have any jeans. I don't own any Zara. No, I do own Zara jeans, but I got my jeans. These are in a 12, and I want to, honestly I don't even know if they're gonna fit. I need to try them on and see, because if they don't fit, I'm probably gonna have to exchange it for a 10. But I'm gonna try them on. These are mid-rise skinny jeans, and the jeans are $39.90, but I believe it was on sale. So if it was on sale, I'll probably link the sale prices, because I got this on Thursday actually. So on Thanksgiving they had like an early sale on the site. They have 40% off, so I want to say they were 40% off. I don't think I paid $40. I think they was 40% off. I also got the vintage skinny jeans. They look like this. I love this wash, and the material on the jeans are actually very thick. Feels like a really, really good, nice quality. So I got these ones as well in a size 12, and these jeans also were $39.90. So yeah, I think that's it. I only got myself like 3 things. I got a lot of stuff for my oldest son Caden because he needed some clothes. Caden is like growing so fast out of everything, so I got him some skinny jeans in a size 9. The kids jeans were $29.90. So they look like this. They look like these. That's the first pair I got him. I got another pair. Oh, those jeans are the skinny jeans, and these jeans are called the dad fit. These are also in a size 9, and they were $29.90 as well. So $29.90. Then I got him these pants. It doesn't say the style of the pants, but these were also $29.90. Got them in a size 9. I really love these pants. I think it's so cute. I'm probably gonna buy him a turtleneck and make him wear this on maybe like Christmas or something. I just love the style of this. I want them to be like really dressy on Christmas, so now I have to just get Cameron something. I'll get Cameron some things as well. Oh wait, I lied. I got myself one more pair of pants. These actually went with a sweater, but I don't know why I didn't get the sweater. But these were some pants that went with the sweater. I got them in a size medium, and these are $29.90. So they just look like this. Just some regular trousers, super cute. I'm probably gonna get me the I need to get like the chestnut Uggs. So I probably will wear it with that. Or if I get some Timbs or something, I'll wear it with that. What else did I get? I got Kaden this shirt right here in a size 9. The shirt was $12.90. I love this shirt. I think it's so cute. Super cute. I love those neutral colors. And then I got Cameron like one thing. I got Cameron this neon shirt. I think this is super cute too. I got his shirt in a size 8, but I got the clothes a little bit bigger because I find Zara clothes is sometimes for kids, for my kids, or just in general, sometimes I feel like they run either a little bit too small or too big. It's not like that just right. It's like usually one or the other, so that's why I have to shop for them. And then the last thing I got was Kaden. I got him this really cute hoodie, which I love. I love, love, love this hoodie. It's so freaking cute. It's in a size 9, and the price of this hoodie was $27.90. So this hoodie was a little bit pricier, but it looks like this. I love this, like this print, and then the back is like this. Super cute. And that was $27.90. And that's pretty much all the stuff I got from Target. Well, my Target socks, the clothes from Zara. I did get one thing from my job. I guess I could show you this. So we're gonna have an event tomorrow. Oh wait, it's not in this bag. Hold on, y'all. We're gonna have an event tomorrow for Anastasia. Actually, you know what? While I'm showing y'all the stuff, because I never filmed that Target haul, I'm just gonna show y'all everything else. So I'm gonna show y'all all the clothes that I also got from Target the other day when I went to Target, and I showed y'all like the groceries and stuff I picked up. I'm just gonna show y'all the stuff, the clothes stuff. Some of the clothes I did wear, so if I wear it again in like another video, I'll show you guys. But I got these packs of socks. I'm like really obsessed with like the long socks like this. It came with a black pair that I kind of ripped a little bit, but I'm gonna cut it off and still wear it. I wore it the other day with the Christmas pajamas. I'm gonna wear those again too, so y'all see what I'm talking about. When I wear it again, I'll tell y'all. Like, this is the stuff from Target, but I got those socks. I got like basic shirts. Y'all know me, love some basic shirts. I love a good crew neck. Like lately I've been obsessed with crew necks. So I have this one. It's just a gray crew neck. Looks like this. I have it in a size medium. This shirt was $14.99. I have another one, crew neck as well, in white. Same type of style almost, and this was $10. So this one was like a steal, $10. I got another pack of socks, the knee-high socks. These were, how much were these? It doesn't have the price on it, but if I could find my receipt or something, I'll show y'all. But I got it in the pink and I got it in the white. Super cute. And then the last thing I got, well, like I said, it's more stuff, but I wore some of the clothes already. So lastly, I got this one, this pink crew neck. Yeah, I know pink is my favorite color, so I got that. I got these cute pajamas too. The pajamas, I did wear them, but I just washed clothes, so they're clean. Oh my god, when I tell y'all, these pajamas are so nice. I believe the pajamas were like a bit on the pricier side though. I think they were like 30 bucks, but oh my god, y'all, they are so freaking fabulous. I'm probably gonna get another pair, but they are so cute. I got my pajamas in a size small because these pajamas are meant to be oversized, but I wanted mine to actually be fitted, so I got them in a small. But normally in pajamas I wear like a medium. So they look like this. It's this really nice pale pastel pink color. It's so pretty. Oh my god, it's so freaking pretty. And it's in the shirt, and I washed my clothes and they smell so good. But it looks like this. So yeah, that's the stuff I got from Zara and Target. Like I said, I was going to show y'all the little shirt I got from my job to wear for the event. We are having, like I said, an Anastasia event. I don't even know where I put my stuff. I have so much freaking stuff, y'all. Okay, so it's like a t-shirt. I think it's a crew neck as well. I got this crew neck to wear for the Anastasia event. It looks like this. It just says Anastasia of Beverly Hills, and then the little quarter sleeves. So I got that. And then they gave us some goodies. They gave us a brow wiz, but this is the color taupe. And then they gave us a, what is this? A mascara. So like a little mini a little mini mascara. A mini mascara in the brow wiz in taupe, which I doubt I'll use because taupe, I don't wear that color. And then I got my favorite little candy. I got me some peach rings. My phone, I'm sure I got a bunch of messages. Hold on. Okay, so I got me some peach rings. The Harbos. I don't even know if that's how you say it, but peach rings. So I was just like snacking on this. I'm gonna probably keep this in my bag. I'm gonna put this in a Ziploc bag though, so it can be sealed, and just keep it in my bag. Cause sometimes I just randomly will get nauseous, and it's so annoying. And now I want to show y'all the lace glue I use, because it's actually really good. I use the gummy lace glue. I'll leave a description in here of my gummy tutorial that I have on this glue. I had the first gummy glue, the gummy adhesive, the regular one, but I've ordered the new one, the extra gummy, and I really like this one. I like this one a lot. So yeah, y'all, that's what I got. I'm probably gonna stop this vlog, and in tomorrow's vlog I'll just show y'all the stuff I take my face off with. I mean, clean my skin with, so you guys can see. But that's gonna be it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video tomorrow for Vlogmas day 5. So see y'all later. This video I'm gonna put up now because it's almost 12 o'clock, and so Vlogmas day 4 is almost over. So let's just get this up so you guys can see it later.